In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove and install the Moen 1225 cartridge. It fits our single-handle faucets manufactured until 2009. Your situation may vary slightly depending on the faucet model. Step 1. Preparation. Before getting started, turn off the main water supply and open the faucet handle to relieve any water pressure and drain the lines. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using the Moen cartridge removal tool, a Phillips screwdriver, hex or Allen wrench, adjustable pliers, needle nose pliers, and safety glasses if desired. Step 2. Remove the trim and the 1225 cartridge. Pop off the plug button if necessary. Unthread the set screw to detach the handle. Loosen the handle adapter screw and remove the adapter. Pop off the retaining clip. Remove the adjustable temperature limit stop ring. Press on the stop sleeve and unthread the pivot retainer. Lift off the collar. Remove the cartridge retainer clip and the stop sleeve. Pull out the 1225 cartridge, then remove the washer. You can also use the Moen cartridge removal tool to pull out the cartridge. Step 3. Install the new 1225 cartridge. Insert the new cartridge into the faucet. Make sure the notch on the stem faces the front of the faucet. Place the washer on the cartridge stem. Reinstall the stop sleeve and cartridge retainer clip. Slide on the collar and thread on the pivot retainer. Place the adjustable temperature limit stop in the proper position and reinsert the retaining clip. Finish up by reinstalling the handle adapter and handle. Congratulations! Your job is done. Removing and installing the 1225 cartridge is fast and easy with Moen. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services